have a quick taste test video for you guys today. Yes, we did film all these in a row, and yes, I'm going to be way over sugared, and so is the kid, but it's okay.
Sorry for the shakiness. It's her fault.
These are the Hostess Cupcakes. They are frosted dark chocolate cake with raspberry creamy filling.
And since I'm not interested in this, I'm going to pan over to... Oh, fine.
These just sounded delicious to me, so I thought we could try them. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have tried these, or if you want to. I found all this stuff at Walmart. Oh, these are like individuals. Okay, Layla, you can't have this. Frost them. Alex loves the orange ones of these.
Bitter.
Well, I didn't quite get frosting. Pretty good.
No, you don't get me. You got enough other... She said candy.
These are cookies.
Candy.
She still got Oreos. Yeah, these are pretty good. I would get these again. My only thing is they're really sweet, and I'm not a big sugar person. What do you think? No. Should we get these again?
I don't know. We don't need this kind of sugary junk.
Mama.
Yeah.
She's cookie stuck to her skull.
Bobby. Bobby.
If you don't understand River Speak, she's saying baby. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, have you guys tried these? Do you want to? Let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!